Hello friends. Welcome to your favorite channel, Library Facts. Today we are talking about a very relatable and memorable experience, the first day in the library. What happens on that day? What do we feel? Let's explore this exciting journey. Keycap 1. The first step inside. As you enter the library for the very first time, you instantly feel a sense of peace and silence. The smell of books, the calm atmosphere, and rows of shelves filled with knowledge create a magical environment. Keycap 2. Getting the library membership card. Your first task is to complete the registration process. You submit your ID, fill out a form, and get your library card, your official entry pass. Important points explained. How many books you can issue. Book issuing duration. Late fine rules. Renewal process. Keycap 3. Library orientation/tour. Many libraries offer a short orientation tour on the first day. You are shown book sections, reference section, newspaper and magazine area, reading room, digital library/computer section, rare book collection. This tour makes your first day simple and comfortable. Keycap 4. Understanding OPAC and call numbers. Next, you learn how to find books. The librarian explains what OPAC is, how to search books, how to read a call number, how to locate a book on the shelf. This is one of the most important skills for beginners. Keycap 5. Seating and study zones. On the first day, you discover silent study zones, group study areas, mobile phone rules, charging points, bag deposit counters. Keycap 6. Library rules. Very important. Every library has its own rules, such as keep your phone on silent, no loud talking, do not misplace books, no food inside the library. Special permission is needed for rare books. These rules maintain the calm environment. Keycap 7. Librarian. Your first guide. The librarian is your biggest support on the first day. They guide you about best books for your need, research tips, access to digital resources and ebooks. They make your journey smoother and easier. Keycap 8. Selecting your first book. Picking your first book from the shelf feels special, as if you're touching a whole new world of knowledge. Keycap 9. Sitting down to read. When you sit at the reading table, open the book, and start reading, you feel truly connected to the library environment. Keycap 10. Small challenges but fun. The first day also brings small challenges like not finding the right shelf, difficulty understanding call numbers, adjusting to silence, understanding the library map. But these challenges make you more confident. So friends, the first day in the library is not just a visit. It's the beginning of a beautiful journey of knowledge. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Library Facts. Thank you.